Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 12. This is Section 4.1, Problem 12. It says determine whether or not the given proportion is a true proportion. And we have 4 over 5 equals 20 over 25. So to determine if you have a true proportion, you want to find the cross products, they call it. So you multiply across both ways and see if the result is equal. So in one path of the cross, you're going to do 4 times 25. And the other way, 20 times 5. And as I multiply that, 20 times 5 is 100. 4 times 25 is also 100. And the two paths, when you multiply across, are equal. 100 equals 100. So this is a true proportion.